Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. A few days ago, YouTube publicly ended support for Android 6 and 7 in most regions. So if you're still running Android 7 Nougat and Former, then chances are that you'll have this error when you try to open YouTube app. If you try to update, it still won't work. Today I'm going to show you a walk around for this issue. Ensure you stick to the end, because I'd show you a useful tip to save your time. Let's begin. The first method is changing the IP address of your machine. I tried it on an Android 7 and it worked. All you have to do is to get a VPN from any reliable source like Google Play Store. Set the location to any country in North America. For this demo, I'm selecting Canada. Press the Connect button to get the VPN running. Now minimize the app. Ensure it is running in the background. Don't open YouTube app just yet. There is something you need to do. But before that, can you please support the channel by hitting the like button below, as well as the subscribe icon, so that YouTube will recommend the video to more viewers. Thanks. Back to the video. Go to Settings, Apps List. Locate the YouTube app under this list and clear the data and cache files. Now launch your YouTube app. Everything is now back to normal. As promised. Useful tip. If you intend to run it next time, no need to go over the whole process again. You just need to ensure the VPN is running in background before you launch the YouTube app. In case the same problem arises again, just clear the YouTube cache and data file again. The second method is to run a custom room with Android 8 and above on your device. There are a bunch of tutorials specific for each device. Just make a little research on how to install these custom rooms specific for your device. Better still, take it to a professional to do it for you. Still, if you're having any problems or questions on this, ensure to leave a comment in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.